Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change theme for Gmail. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the gear icon in the homepage of your Gmail like this, and then go for the theme. There you can view them all, and inside there's a preset images. You can change it so it will set it for the background. And there's also option to have something like a plain color, so you can change between default white Gmail or a dark theme like this. You can also add your own photos by going through your My Photos and then simply pick whichever image you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.